our chapter is over and we have to start with the question answers, and all of you are very good in that because you have been trained like that. You can easily give answers of all the questions because we have done the chapter thoroughly. I don't think so there should be any problem. So many students have already raised their hand and I haven't asked any question. Huh? I haven't asked any questions. So no problem. Let's proceed with the questions. First of all, I would like to ask one thing from all of you. If you have any doubt in this chapter, let me know right now, because later on when I'll ask questions, all of you are supposed to say yes or say no, ma'am. Any one of you having any problem in this chapter? If not, we'll proceed with the questions. Okay, no doubt is there. Very good. So, let's start. Akul, Ananya, Dia, and Harman. Okay, ji. Start,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. Anjani, first question is for you, my dear. Anjani, first question. Speak up the question, बच्चे.
Ma'am, answer iska.
No, पहले question you have to speak, then answer.
Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth?
Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? It means meaning of this question is all resources are not found everywhere on the earth. Some resources are rich in some areas, are rich in certain resources, some areas are rich in certain resources, some areas are poor in certain resources. Why so? Why it is like this? So this is the meaning of the question. And now we are proceeding with the answer. And I would like to ask from those students who hardly speak in the class, and I would love to come to this Anant Grover. Anant, you are here, I know. Anant, with a very beautiful handwriting, I still remember. Yes. Anant, you are here, otherwise I'll mark you absent, Anant.
I'm present.
Anji, I know you are present. Answer. Speak up. Just try to give me answer. It doesn't matter if your answer is wrong or right. Doesn't matter to me. Yes.
Question repeat करना.
Why? You don't have a book in your hand?
No.
Why not? Okay. Akul is going to repeat answer for Anant. Akul.
Yes.
No, sorry,
Why
question.
are resources?
Yes.
Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth?
Another question is why resources are not equally distributed everywhere? Why they are unequally distributed? Why some areas are rich in particular resources and poor in some other resources? This is the question. Hanji Anant ji. Anand.
Yes.
Answer, my dear.
हिंदी में बोले इंग्लिश में.
You are supposed to speak in English and you can do it. I know you can do it. Nothing new for you. We used to do all these questions even in the school. Yes. Speak up in English, right? If you want, if you will have shortage of words, so we people are here to help you out. Don't worry. Come on.
Question repeat. समझ नहीं question.
Oh my.
Ma'am, why are the resources unequally distributed in the earth?
On the earth, yes.
Because of discrimination.
By nature?
हम जैसे कई एरिया अमीर होते जैसे.
Okay.
हम जैसे मुंबई होगी.
हाँ. That area is rich.
जैसे दुबई होगी वहाँ पे सब कुछ सस्ता है. हम इंडिया में जैसे वहाँ पे ना एक तिरम का पेट्रोल होता है. और यहाँ पे 90 रुपीस का हो गया.
Why is so cheap there petrol in Dubai?
मैम वहाँ पे वो कुआं है.
क्योंकि वहाँ पर मैम ग्राउंड में से ऑयल निकलता है.
Let Anant give the answer, my dear. I'll talk to you people also one by one. Let Anant give the answer. He is giving. Let him do it. Please don't interrupt in between me and Anant. Let we communicate. Yes, Anant, my dear. वहाँ पे कुआं है. हाँ.
Speak up. और जो है गरीब कंट्रीज होती है. जैसे इंडोनेशिया में बाली है. वहाँ पे वो बहुत गरीब कंपनी है. वो वहाँ पे बहुत सस्ती चीजें होती है.
सस्ती है तो गरीब है.
हम वहाँ पे इंडिया का 1 रुपए वहाँ पे पता नहीं बहुत सारी बनती है.
हाँ.
10,000 रुपए.
हाँ, like अपना Anant, you have given name of the two countries. One you have given Arabian Dubai, and the second one you have talked about Indonesia, है ना? Bali you have talked about. बेटा Indonesia में, sorry, this Dubai में we are talking very rich country. Rich countries because वहाँ पे they are rich in particular resource only, and that particular resources, the demand of that resource is everywhere, and that demand is also heavily demanded. That is petroleum. That's why the country is rich. But country is rich only in one particular resource. We are talking about resources are unequally distributed. वहाँ पे we don't have agricultural land. वहाँ पे we don't have other activities. But only one particular resource, they are extremely rich in that. That is petroleum. That's why they are rich. If you are talking about country like Indonesia, Indonesia country is actually the country where is the this island country. It's a group of islands make Indonesia. And every year conditions, volcanic eruption, then this floods, tsunamis are very common. So agriculturally, this area is advanced, but not from industrial point of view. So means this country is rich in particular resource, that is agricultural point of view. Got it? So all countries, one point we have taken from your example that all countries are not rich in all the resources. You have given the example, like in Dubai, we have petroleum, but we don't have other resources. This is one of the examples which you all of you have, which Anant has given. Now coming to with the main point, that is Sanvi Sharma. There's Sanvi, bache. Sanvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta.
Ma'am, this is because Earth has a different climate and different geography.
Geographical.
Also, the climate is different. Yes, ma'am. Geographical features. For an example, if we talk about Chota Nagpur Plateau, so in plateau areas, we are having minerals like coal. So that's why the division is there, because of factors like altitude and geography, climate.
Yes, very right, very right. Okay, right answer given by Sanvi. Coming to Arshpreet, roll number 1. Yes, my dear, Arshpreet.
Ma'am, the answer is that there are many different climatic conditions on different places, and it matters on the presence of different resources. Ma'am, so there are the resources resources are unequal on different places.
Very right. But you have given one point, that is climate.
Ma'am, example for the geographical conditions, ma'am, like climate and like altitude and terrain, etc.
Okay. Good. Coming to, now I have Diya. Yes, Diya. Diya.
Good morning.
Very good morning, bache.
The distribution of resources depends on various factors, such as physical nature of the place. The physical factors include terrain, climate, height above sea level, etc. Since these factors vary in different parts of the world, resources are distributed over the earth.
Right. Very right. Anyone want to add some? Diya, switch off your speaker, please, beta. Yes, thank you. Anyone want to add something in an elaborated form? मतलब मुझे समझाओ answer. I'm not. You are giving me answer. I know answer is 101% correct, but I'm still finding out something more. Yes, coming to Ananya. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. My first heading is climatic conditions. It can be there that a particular area have a high altitude or lower altitude. It depends on the resources, that what resources have in the high altitude and lower altitude. Second is availability of resource. Availability of resource means that in a particular area, it can be there that Chota Nagpur Plateau has a more minerals and Dubai has more petroleum. And third point is technology. The place where these all minerals are there, it can
Ananya,
be there that where technology is there.
Ananya, very right you are speaking, but यहाँ पे technology word we won't talk about, because question क्या है, why natural resources are unevenly distributed, है ना? Man-made नहीं है, I guess. Resources ही हैं. Okay, then it's okay. Carry on. Carry on.
Ma'am, technology is there that in a particular area, if resources will be there and another place cannot take out the resources, but if the place has technology, they can take out the resources from there and they become a richest resource.
Okay, right. Good, quite good. अब मैं इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करके I will try to make you understand. Otherwise, it's good answer. Baki points given by Diya was correct. Points given by this Ananya was absolutely correct, and points given by Anand. Example given by Anand, that is also very correct. But हम थोड़ा सा इसको और modify कर लेते हैं. Then we'll come to know कि yes, ma'am, this is 101% correct, है ना? I think all of you know. Don't write. लिखना नहीं है. सुनना है. You know it. Whatever I'm going to speak, you know it. Have faith. We know about our country, है ना? We know north में we have mountains, and we have plain, then we have plateau,
Yes,
then we
ma'am.
have desert, then we have coastal area, then we have island group. सब कुछ है हमारे पास, है ना? Mountain. Now, whatever resources are available in the mountainous region, for example, we have forest, we have wood or forest, we can say, we have glaciers, river, water availability is there, है ना? So we have dense vegetation, wildlife is also there. So flora है, fauna है, glacier है, rivers है. ठीक है? We have variety of resources found only in one relief. Here I'm talking about relief, that is mountainous area. First thing we can say on the basis of relief, if I'm talking about the resources, it varies. It's not same everywhere. Same in the world if we are comparing. Mountains, wherever we have mountains in the world, wherever we have more mountains in one country, wherever we have less mountains in one country, so automatically forest, wildlife would depend on that. If in any country we have more mountains, automatically forest would be, that country would be rich in forest resources, that country would also would be rich in wildlife resources. Agree or not? If in any country, take an example of Sahara Desert, Africa I'm talking about, right? If in any country we don't have mountainous area, forest nahi hai, wildlife nahi hai, so automatically in that country we will have lack of these resources. Forest and wildlife will be lacking there. Agree or not? So the first point is relief kaisa hai. So we have various kind of relief features. If in any country we have mountainous area, forest and wildlife would be there, rivers would be there, glaciers would be there, availability of water would be there, resources hai.
And
Sahara,
physical factors.
yeah, physical factor. Sahara Desert, we don't have glaciers, we don't have mountains, we don't have glaciers. That's why rivers are less there. Dryness hai, temperature hot hai, high temperature hai. Second, if we are talking about, say, if we are proceeding making India a waste. If we are talking about northern fertile plain of India, we know very level land, you know, alluvial soil is there, rivers are there. That's why agro-based industries are there. That's why agriculture is well developed there. So resource value kya hogi? Plain area. That is also leveled and that is also fertile. So all the countries of the world, wherever we have fertile area, we will have very dense population because soil is very fertile, agriculture is well developed there. Now let's compare जो हमारा resource है, we say कि northern part of India is rich in this resource, है ना? Unevenly क्यों है? But in Japan we don't have a level land, we don't have a agricultural land, we don't have alluvial soil, so that's why in Japan agriculture is not so developed. So resource unequally distribution होगी on the basis of relief once again. Is this point clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बच्चे बोलो.
मैम जैसे अभी अनन्या ने ये पॉइंट बोला था कि टेक्नोलॉजी का, मैम मुझे ये नहीं समझ लगा मैम कि अगर हमारे पास रिसोर्स ही नहीं है तो हम टेक्नोलॉजी से क्या कर लेंगे मैम? हम तो रिसोर्स को थोड़ा ना निकाल सकते हैं मैम. ये पॉइंट मेरे हिसाब से.
अब मैं इसको पॉइंट को अनन्या के सामने ही सॉल्व करते हैं. बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट दिस हरमन. टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है, टेक्नोलॉजी है बट रिसोर्सेज नहीं है. दिस इज योर पॉइंट, है ना? जापान don't have resources, technology they have. और भी simplify करें. Earlier, already I have given the example of this. Solar energy, wind energy, thermal wind energy, hydroelectricity. Earlier we were not having technology. पानी तब भी था, हवा तब भी थी, सूरज तब भी था. But हमें energy निकालनी नहीं आती. But right now we have technology. पानी अब भी है, solar भी है, wind भी है, everything we are having. But with the help of technology, now we are using those resources which earlier was not so much useful. Harman, convinced? Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
So technology definitely plays an important role. Japan is the best example I always give. Japan actually lacks in resources. Natural resources they lack. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. Mountainous area, island area, volcanic area, earthquake prone area. So destruction is always more there. But technology they have advanced. Human skill they have much more as compared to any other countries of the world. So that's why they have started using whatever resources are with them in a best way. Is this point clear? So technology definitely plays an important role. So here we're talking about why resources are unequally distributed. Unequally distributed because variations in relief feature, variation in climatic conditions. We don't have same variation means we don't have the similarity. We don't have same soil. We don't have same relief features. We don't have same climatic condition. We don't have same altitude. We don't have same plateau area. जहाँ पे प्लेट्यूज होंगे वहां पे मिनरल्स होंगे. सब जगह तो प्लेट्यू नहीं है. ठीक है, सब जगह प्लेट्यूज नहीं है. तो जिस जगह प्लेट्यूज है वहां पे मिनरल्स होंगे. जिस जगह कंट्री में प्लेट्यू ही नहीं है, लाइक टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ पंजाब. पंजाब इज नॉट एट ऑल अ प्लेट्यू एरिया. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर लैकिंग इन द मिनरल्स. पंजाब में वी डोंट हैव मिनरल्स बिकॉज हमारे फर्टाइल सॉइल है. तो रिसोर्सेज नॉट ओनली इन द वर्ल्ड बट विद इन द कंट्री वी से इट वेरीज. Each and every part of India is not rich in all the resources. Some areas are rich in mineral resources. Take an छोटा नागपुर plateau area, बहुत rich in mineral resources. Take an example of Punjab, poor in mineral resources. छोटा नागपुर plateau area is poor in agricultural resource. Getting me? All parts of that, they are not rich in all the resources. It depends on what? It depends on what type of climate we are having, what type of relief we are having, what type of soil we are having, what type of altitude we are having, what type of physical features we are having, and all that. That's why resources are unevenly distributed. Like Anant has given the example of Arabian countries. Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Turkey, ये सारी countries, UAE, in सभी में they are very rich in petroleum. But they are very poor in agricultural products, uneven distribution of resources. Is this point clear?
मैम मींस अवेलेबिलिटी भी वेरी करती है.
या अवेलेबिलिटी, रिसोर्सेज की अवेलेबिलिटी ही तो वेरी करती है. all of you are sitting here. Do you think all of you excel in everything? सभी मैथ्स में इक्वल हो, सभी साइंस में इक्वल हो, सभी सोशल में इक्वल हो. Some are very good in math, some are very good in social, some are very poor in social, some are very poor in maths and all. Resources, हम लोग भी रिसोर्स है बट वी आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. हम एक से नहीं है. सेम इज विद द नेचर एक सा नहीं है. रिसोर्सेज एक से नहीं है. तो जो चीज में वी एक्सेल वी शुड डेवलप दैट रिसोर्स. गॉट इट? जिसमें हम अगर जस्ट इमेजिन हम पंजाब इज रिच फॉर फर्टाइल सॉइल. पंजाब में अगर instead of growing crops, just imagine अगर हम यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रीज ही लगा दें, do you think it would be the best utilization of resources?
No ma'am.
No ma'am. No. Same if you are very good in maths और मैं आपको जबरदस्ती बोलूं कि नहीं भी you have to do history, is it good for myself? No. So whatever resources we are rich, whatever resources land is rich, country is rich, we should try to excel in that. We should try to develop those resources. Is this point clear? Question is clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you?
ये बात नहीं समझ रही मैम. जैसे हमारे पास अभी टेक्नोलॉजी, हमारे पास पेट्रोलियम है ही नहीं, हमें इतना पता है मैम, फिर भी हम टेक्नोलॉजी से डिग करके चेक कर रहे हैं कि सच में है कि नहीं. तो मैम उसका तो फिर टेक्नोलॉजी का फायदा नहीं होगा.
Listen, first thing is we have petroleum, though we are not very rich in petroleum, but we have petroleum in Maharashtra, we have petroleum in Gujarat, we have petroleum in Assam. Pehla doubt. Second, we have enough petroleum reserves in under Himalayas. Enough petroleum reserves. ये सारा जितना भी शिवालिक रेंज है, मिडल हिमालयास, we have enough petroleum under this. We know it. But right now, there's no need to use technology to extract petroleum from those far off areas. Why not? Why there's no need? Because still we have resources in Maharashtra, in Gujarat, in Assam. When petroleum would come to an end here, जब खत्म हो जाएगा in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Assam, automatically with the help of technology, we have to shift to Himalaya region for the extraction of petroleum. Abhi, we don't need it. That act as a stock resource, that act as a reserve resource. Is this point clear? Harman, clear?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt in this question? First question we have done. Any doubt in this? Thorough elaboration we have done. So while framing the answer should not be same. Make it very clear. Okay. Okay. Coming to second question, I'm asking question from Arish Sharma. Arish Betaji.
Yes, ma'am. What is resource conservation?
What is resource conservation? बहुत ही simple question है ये तो, है ना? तो let's ask from Nandini. Yes, Nandini. What is resource conservation?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Saving resources are more important for future generation is called conservation. It is protection and ethical use of valuable resources such as minerals, water, trees, wildlife, and others. Resources conservation basically focus on maintaining natural world in order to protect the source of resources.
Okay, answer is correct. But ये मुझे थोड़ा सा बुकिश सा लग रहा है आंसर, नंदनी.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not, I mean, answer is correct. Answer is not wrong. But you should use your own idea. Simple language में समझाओ. ऐसा होना चाहिए आंसर ना. We are not after Kishoki. Look, I have used such a high-five words and all that. Thing should be clear to us. Got it? Answer is correct. Otherwise, you can note down the answer in your notebook. No doubt is there. Yes, Gurdit, coming to you. Gurdit.
Yes, ma'am. Using resources carefully and giving them time to renew is called the resources conservation. Conversion.
Right है Gurdit. अच्छा है बेटा जी. Good. Look, simple answer he has given. Though we will add more here. Yes, coming to Akul. Yes, Akul.
Ma'am, yes. Optimum use of resources, neither less nor more, and saving them for future generation are called this resource conservation. Each person can contribute by reducing his consumption of resource, recycling and reusing things.
Right, beta ji, very right. So question is, why conservation of resources is essential? What is resource conservation? Okay. Yes. Okay, what is resource conservation? So perfect point given by Akul and even this, I guess, kaun tha bachcha? Nandini, hai na? So resource conservation is to conserve the resources, means to use the resources wisely. Or we can say optimum utilization of resources. Resources should be conserved because all the resources are not renewable. Some of the resources are non-renewable. That's why we have to conserve it. Then second point, we can say all resources are not found everywhere. Certain areas have lack of resources. So that's why also resources should be conserved. Third point, we can say some of the resources take so much time for its formation. That's why also resources should be conserved. Fourth point, we can say if we have to survive on Earth, we can't survive without these resources. So for our survival, for ecology, for ecological balance, resources should be conserved. Instead of development, we should follow sustainable development. Sustainable development is also another name of resource conservation. It means use of the resources keeping future in mind. That is known as sustainable development. Yeah, resource conservation. We have to conserve resources because our future generations, they would be in need of resources. So that's why also we have to conserve resources. Done, beta ji? Any doubt? Whatever answer I have spoken, I have given, undoubtedly I have taken points from you also, but answer should be in this way, simple, straight way. Koi complications we don't need. Whatever you understand from the, you have got the understanding from the chapter, you should frame answer with the help of that. है ना? जो समझ रहे हैं, right? जैसे whenever you people watch a web series or a TV, this movie, whatever you understand, है ना? आप जो समझते हो वही अपने friend को story सुनाते हो. वो dialogue तो learn करके नहीं सुनाते. Whatever you understand, the same is narrated by you to your friend. In the same way, the chapter, whatever you understand from the chapter, जो answers हैं उसी को you have to frame accordingly. Got it, beta ji? Okay. Coming to the next question. Now the question I'll ask from Taranya is here. Taranya?
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, मैंने आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनी आज. Yes, pick up the third question, my dear.
Why are human resources important?
Oh wow, what a question. Why are human resources important? So number of students are raising their hands, but I would like to. Okay, there is one child. I have forgotten the Sameer. No, Sameer. No. Raghav Jain. Where is Raghav Jain? I never see Raghav. Are you here? He's in your class, Akul, right?
Ma'am, yes.
Where is
yes, but he is not in this class.
He is not in this class right now. Okay. There is one more child. Pari. No, it's not Pari. Okay, Pari, answer beta. Let me find another child which I am searching. Pari. Child is Ansh, I guess. Ansh is here in your class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ansh, are you here right now?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, right now he is not here.
Okay, send message to them. Harman, later on. Hey, ma'am was missing you deadly. Okay? Yes, Pari, answer bache.
Human resources are important because the development of other resources like natural resources and human-made resources depend upon the human resource, as we humans have the knowledge, skill, education, technology to develop these resources.
परी पीछे कौन फैन इतना फास्ट चल रहा है, कूलर के आगे बैठे हो, क्या किया है परी? उड़ने की तैयारी चल रही है? हाँ? क्या था? फैन चल रहा है ना, पूरे जोरों से चल रहा है फैन. सो इस फैन ने आपकी आवाज को भी कहीं कहीं उड़ा दिया. सो आंसर गिवन बाय यू इज करेक्ट, लेकिन हल्का फुल्का मुझे नहीं भी समझ में आया. बट नो प्रॉब्लम, आई नो योर आंसर वाज डेफिनेटली अच्छा ही होगा. कमिंग टू शब्द, ये शब्द लास्ट 1 minute I have immediately शब्द. शब्द.
Human resources is important because people can make the best use of nature to create resources by the following ways: knowledge, skills, and technology.
Okay, what is skill? Shabad, what is skill?
And the ability to do work.
Though you are not Shabad, you are Harman. I know your name. I'm asking from Shabad. Let him. Yes, Shabad. From where you have taken this word skill? If you're not clear with the meaning.
Skill.
What is skill? Book mein se, that's really good, but we should know the meaning. So tomorrow, Shabad, get ready with the answer of this particular word, skill. Okay? And time is up. We have to go and this. We'll discuss. We'll start the answer from Samar. Give me reminder. Yes, tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Not right now. We will do. Not right now.